Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Happy morning and greeting. First, I'm grateful. I climb to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala above opportunities that have been given so that I can are in this time for present my proposal thesis. Previously, I will say thank you for my supervisor, Mr. Aryo Waroka and Mrs. Dr. Eti Gurendrawati. Let me introduce myself. I'm Tina Silviana Isyani from Master of Management, University State of Jakarta. Will present my proposal thesis. The title is Analysis of Determinant of Propensity to Indebtedness based on Behavior Basis Emotion, Culture, and Materialism, which are moderate by religion, financial literacy, and job security. Well, the first one, I will explain a number of background behind why I take study this. The first is the factor that influence their behavior come from excessive desire, which encourage them to make impulse purchase at shopping malls by Atmaja in Atmaja 2006. Next, the reason a person decides to go into debt with two purposes, namely productive and consumptive. Productive debt is to buy goods with a value that tends to increase, providing financial benefit with the potential to increase income. While consumptive debt is to buy goods that are consumed while value tends to decrease over time, does not provide financial benefit, and has the potential to make a person get into debt. By Saada and Putami, 2020. See the next survey Consumer Bank Indonesia 2023 about composition of use of household income. So the proportion of saving and also credit installment payment to total income, where the proportion for saving is getting smaller, while for consumption it is getting bigger and installment are relatively stable. Next, this the Jakarta Survey Report 2023. So majority or more from 19% debt saving and starting again used for pay later. Pay later product most used in a way general. Next, the concept of pay later is slightly similar to credit card because there is a spending limit, but the pay later payment guarantee is lower than credit cards, usually provided on several platforms such as e-commerce, marketplace, and online transportation by Iswaryadi et al. 2023. Next, search Kata Desa Insight Center and Ziki Survey 2023. Shopee Pay Later expand its popularity in the past year thanks to aggressive merchant promos. The platform also surprised incumbent players such as GoPay Later, Kredivo, Akulaku, and Traveloka Pay Later. And the next, the event of many state civil apparatus or civil servants with high salaries also trend to be prone to having a lot of loans or debt. The thing that triggers this action is the salary routine. The state civil apparatus has the power to borrow or debt due to the guarantee of liquid salary for every month. The reason for income stability, which is also applied to the majority of Indonesian people. By liputan6.com 2023. Next, for research gap, yes, we see the table of relationship between variables that have an influence and those that don't influence. Here there are the first 8 variable relationship. There is the influence of financial behavior based on propensity to indebtedness. 2, influence emotion to propensity to indebtedness. 3, the influence of culture on propensity to indebtedness. 4, influence materialism to propensity to indebtedness. 5, the influence of financial literacy, moderate financial behavior based on propensity to indebtedness. 6, the influence of job security, moderate financial behavior based on propensity to indebtedness. 7, influence religiosity, moderate emotion to propensity to indebtedness. 8, the influence of religiosity, moderate materialism on propensity to indebtedness. Okay, next, problem limitation. This research involves civil servants in the police respondent and private employees in the banking service sector in the Jabodetabek. Next, problem formulation. 1, do financial behavior-based affect propensity to indebtedness? 2, does emotion affect propensity to indebtedness? 3, does culture affect propensity to indebtedness? 4, does materialism affect propensity to indebtedness? 5, does financial literacy moderate the effect of financial behavior basis on propensity to indebtedness? 6, does job security moderate financial behavior basis in influencing propensity to indebtedness? 7, does religiosity moderate emotion in influencing propensity to indebtedness? And 8, does religiosity moderate materialism in influencing propensity to indebtedness? Next, object of research. 1, find out whether financial behavior basis affect propensity to indebtedness. A, find out whether financial behavior basis overconfident affect propensity to indebtedness. B, find out whether financial behavior basis regret aversion affect propensity to indebtedness. C, knowing whether financial behavior basis hoarding affect propensity to indebtedness. 2, knowing whether emotion affect propensity to indebtedness. 3, knowing whether culture affect propensity to indebtedness. 4, knowing whether materialism affect propensity to indebtedness. 5, analyzing the moderating effect of financial literacy in the relationship between financial behavior basis and propensity to indebtedness. 6, analyzing the moderating effect of job security in the relationship between financial behavior basis and propensity to indebtedness. 7, analyzing the moderating effect of religiosity in the relationship between emotion and propensity to indebtedness. 8, analyzing the moderating effect of religiosity in the relationship of materialism on propensity to indebtedness. Next, research benefit. For academic is give contribution new to understanding about factors which influence propensity to indebtedness, cover financial behavior-based emotion, culture, materialism, financial literacy, job security, and religiosity. Research study this can become best for study advance in understand behavior, finance, and management debt, as well as impact to individual and public. For practical study, this can become best for development program, education finance, which more effective, especially in increased literacy finance and understanding about risks in debt in circle public. Next, study reference. Green theory which underlying studies this that is behavior plan or theory of plan behavior, and developed from theory action rationale or theory of reason action by Azen and Fishbein on 1985. Theory action rationale previously explained that behavior which done by somebody pushed by intention individual as well as affected by factor attitude norm subjective by Azen 2005. Middle theory. Theory cycle lifetime first appeared in 2 studies scientific owned by Modigliani, Medio 90 and 5T, together a student postgraduate by Modigliani and Bromberg, 1964. Approach economy micro-conventional to decision consumption explain when somebody in a way instinct will rational and have knowledge with then consuming not enough from his income when his income tall, so they can support consumption when income experience decline. For example, after pension. By Lusardi and Tufano, 2015. Next, middle theory, Skifman and Kano, 2007, convey when behavior customer refers on behavior which sound customer inserts purchase, use, evaluation, and use up a product or service which expected can fulfill his needs. Behavior consumer in accordance explanation Mowen and Minor 2002 is to the regarding unit purchase and disposal product or service and experience nor idea. Next, see the matrix study previous. See the 16, we can look the 16 studies. Previously, there are variables that affect propensity to indebtedness. Okay. Ada 16 matrix study previous. Okay, next model study. Okay, we can see in the picture as variable dependent is propensity to indebtedness, and variable independent is behavior biases, overconfident, regret aversion, and hoarding. And next, the emotion. And next, the variable independent is culture. And next, materialism. And then variable moderation is religiosity and financial literacy and job security. Next, research hypothesis. The first hypothesis supported by research conducted by Oliveira 2020, which reveals the influence of financial behavior basis on propensity to indebtedness. On that basis, based on a review of previous studies and previous empirical findings, the first hypothesis formulated is behavioral finance bias affect the propensity to indebtedness. And the second, this is supported by research conducted by Asma et al. 2090, Flores and Vieira 2040, Selvaraja and Abdullah 2090, Oliveira 2020, Haikal et al. 2023, Rahman et al. 2020, Wijaya and Pertiwi 2021, who say there is an effect of emotion on propensity to indebtedness. On this basis, based on a review of previous studies and previous empirical finding, the hypothesis formulated is emotion affect propensity to indebtedness. Okay. 3 is support by research conducted by Haikal et al. 2023 with the result that there is an influence of culture on propensity to indebtedness based on a review of previous research and previous empirical finding. The hypothesis formulated is culture influence propensity to indebtedness. And the fourth, this supported by research conducted by Patulak et al. 2021, Asma et al. 2090, Flores and Vieira 2040, Iswariadi et al. 2023, Rahman et al. 2020, Yusbardini and Andani 2023, Wijaya and Pertiwi 2021, say there is a significant effect of materialism on propensity to indebtedness. On this basis, based on a review of previous research and previous empirical finding, the hypothesis formulation is materialism affect propensity to indebtedness. Next. The fifth hypothesis, supported by research conducted by Natasha et al. 2022 and Yusbardini and Andani 2023, where there is an effect of financial literacy moderating financial behavior basis on propensity to indebtedness. Therefore, based on a review of previous research and previous empirical finding, the hypothesis formulated are the moderating effect of financial literacy on the relationship between financial behavior based and propensity to indebtedness. Next, the sixth, support by research conducted by Blazquist et al. 2021, said that there is an effect of job security moderating financial behavior basis on propensity to indebtedness. On that basis, based on a review of previous studies and previous empirical finding, the hypotheses formulated are the moderating effect of job security on the relationship between financial behavior basis and propensity to indebtedness. And the seventh, this is supported by research conducted by Haikal et al. 2023 and Yeniares 2060 who say there is an effect of religiosity moderating emotion on propensity to indebtedness. Therefore, based on a review of previous research and previous empirical finding, the hypotheses formulated are the moderating effect of religiosity in the relationship between emotion and propensity to indebtedness. And the last one is supported by research conducted by Sabri et al. 2020 and Hasmi 2023, who say there is a significant effect of religiosity moderating materialism on propensity to indebtedness. Based on review of previous studies and previous empirical finding, the hypothesis formulated the moderating effect of religiosity moderates materialism and in the relationship of propensity to indebtedness. Next, research method. Research use a quantitative approach in this study. The research design used is namely ex post fact to support by the use of questionnaire survey method. The questionnaire survey is the main data source in this research by Sugiono 2019. Source data study is use primary data, that is information which obtained in a way direct from respondent about variable interest for need study. And next, data collection technique. Method for gather data in studies is use survey questionnaire, which spread in a way online utilizing Google Form and facilitate is social media type X, Facebook, Instagram, and message personal through by WhatsApp. Next, population and sample. According to the OGG report, the value of loan distribution online in Indonesia reached 90.49 trillion in September 2022. This amount was distributed to 40.17 million customer account in all region in Indonesia. The sampling technique in this study is non-probability sampling using purposive sampling, because not all samples meet the criteria set by the research. On this basis, samples are deliberately selected according to certain criteria so that the result can be used as representative. There are three criteria that research determine to obtain a sample in this study, such as one, citizenship Indonesia, two, education, school, intermediate on or equal and level which more tall, three, understand taking loan. Next, development instrument. This instrument will be used by research to make questionnaire that will be distributed to respondent through electronic media. The example is this, indicator original, indicator adaptation, and source. This instrument will be used by research to make questionnaire. Okay, next, the technique analysis data. Research using smart PLS to analysis data in the study. Partial least square use a three-stage iteration procedure to obtain the three estimate. One, create weak estimation. Two, estimate inner model, no router model. Three, obtain estimate means as well as location or constant. In PLS, technique analysis which research used between other one, analysis descriptive, procedure for obtain description in a way detail regarding something incident, use statistic descriptive like frequency, tendency, central or mean, median, and mode, dispersion or standard deviation variant, as coefficient correlation between variable study. And two, analysis statistic, the data use method partial least square or PLS with objective test hypothesis in studies. This election PLS as method analysis based on Swiss stability with study previously, which on similarity in amount variable and existence variable, moderating or intervening. Okay, next, this is what I can explain regarding my thesis proposal. More or less, I apologize and realize that my proposal is still far from perfect. Therefore, ask for direction and guidance from you so that my thesis can be even better. I believe that constructive suggestion and critics from the examining lecturers and supervisor can be a guide for me in continuing to work on this thesis. Well, thank you very much for your attention. Please apologize if there are some mistake in my presentation. I close my presentation today. That's all and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.